Doing now, Beis Hashem is book the last blot, last Amud of Horayoth, Yud Ches Amud Beis, and we are towards the end of the Masechte. So it's Agadata and Bianca Bar Idi, Shem Rebil. Ma'aser shenichnasu zekayin la'liz Beis Gadi be'Yericho. They went together in a certain attic in the city of Beis Gadia. V'yatsa basko v'amr lahem yesh b'neichem shnayim ru'uyim l'ruach hakodesh v'hillel hazokon echad mehem, and one of them is Hillel hazokon. If you're not going to say the other person's name, Nosma and name is Shmuel HaKotan. They thought that probably the second one was Shmuel HaKotan. Shiv nechus zekayin aliyah b'yavne. Yatsa basko v'amr lahem yesh b'neichem shnayim. There's in between you Shnaim ruin gekodesh Shmuel HaKotan echad mehem. Nosma and name be'elazar ben hurken as boish. Meichem asher eskima dait m'ruach hakodesh. They were happy that the first time they figured out the right person, because Ruach HaKodesh the second time confirmed that the second one was actually Shmuel HaKotan. In the Barpazai by Hoshia, have on v'sha'al b'shlome the Nasi chol yom. There used to be two families that used to greet the Nasi, the house of the Nasi, the house of the prince, the Barpazai and by Hoshia. Have in the Barpazai on kadmoya. By Hoshia they came in first. Oslan in the Barpazi, later the people from Barpazi, they got married within the family of the Nasi. Oslan boy and male Kadoma, they wanted to come in first. Oslan Sha'an Lebimi. So he said, Bekemoisa, as a Mishkan Kamashpate, Yesh Mishpat La Mishkan. Is there a certain order for the Mishkan, for the woods? It means there is an order, since they already had a special order that Bahoshia comes in first, we cannot push him away, even though Barpazai right now married within the family doesn't make them more important, because there's a certain order, just like with the Kroshim in the Mishkan, they had a special order, what comes first, what comes where. You can't change the order. There were two families in Tzipori. Shemus Mishpacha, the names of the family. These two families used to also greet the prince. They were the first to come in, come out. But then the other family, that is Fangaya, they started learning a lot of Torah. They want to come in first. No, when it comes to this, in such a case, we must give them preference, because they're Chachamim, so they have to come in first to ask to greet the prince's house. So when it comes to sit together in a party, then maybe we give the Kohen Gadol preference. When it comes to live those, to redeem from captivity, or to give food to survive, or to give them clothing, then we understand that the Talmud Chacham is first. But how about when it comes to yeshiva? Means when it comes to a meal, the answer is after yeshiva. Even when it comes to yeshiva here means b'mishte, when they're sitting in a party. Hadron Allah Maseches Horayoth, Baruch Hashem. We finished Maseches Horayoth now. Today is the Erev Shvi Shel Pesach, Tafshin Payvov. Erev Shvi Shel Pesach, Tafshin Payvov, 5 La'omer. We're asking Hashem that should save the Yidden and the whole world, particularly in Eretz Yisrael, and the Rishonim, the Iranians, should have a shmada mechletes ma'oid. They should totally be destroyed. Nothing should be left over from them. As far as they pull it, Hashem should make us nisim, just like He did in the times of Mitzrayim, and all the Rishonim, the Reitzchem. Soinai Hashem should be lost. Kadoinag namasi should just melt like wax. Be'ez Hashem Yisborach b'korav mamish. We see Yeshua from the Yisrael and from the world. Okay, at kan, the end of Horayoth.